synthetic oil in the oil reservoir. Now we put the metal loading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, the motor stopped as like this due to the high friction. Now we inject the fuel drops graphene. And then we start the metal loading. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After loading 12 metal pieces, smoothly motor well operated. It's perfect. It's fantastic. It's great performance. Now we remove the oil reservoir from the motor drums like this. Even we remove remove the oil from this drum. Graphene membrane layer is well organized on the motor drums. Motor is smoothly operated as like this. It's amazing performance. Amazing.